Hey, what's up everyone? It's Mark with M2M Detail. Today we have our brand new 2020 TRD Pro Tundra, and we're going to be doing the inserts from OEM on the back of the Tundra badge. So stay tuned. We're going to have more reviews on the Tundra. I just bought it about a week ago. Love the truck. Some things that are a little different about it, but stay tuned. There will be another review for the truck. But yeah, let's get into it. So here's our Tundra badges right now. We have our alcohol, and we're also lint-free towel. So these are Home Depot HDX towels. Really good. I really like them for window tinting. They don't have lint left behind, so it makes it a lot cleaner install. But yeah, let's get into it. We're gonna peel this back. So after you get this off, you're gonna see these little white tabs. So you can see the little white tab almost right there. That's gonna be where you pull it back and then you stick it on the paint. But let's prep the paint real quick. Let me zoom you guys in. So this is just 70% alcohol. Get off any wax or anything that's on the paint. Get it nice and clean. So we get nice adhesion between the sticker and the paint. Feels good. All right, grab our stickers. So this is what it's gonna look like. You gotta pull this backing off, which they give you a little tab right there. You can see it pull back nicely. Now when you're installing these, the main thing you wanna worry about is make sure you're leveled. Everything. So that looks good. Once you like the location, you're gonna push it down. Grab our towel. So we're not getting a bunch of fingerprints. That looks nice. Alright, on to the next. Same thing on the U. You have your tab right here. Pull back the sticker. Try not to touch the adhesive side. You want that to be untouchable if possible. Make sure you got the placement where you want it. And once you have your placement, we're gonna push it down. There's that. Let's go on to the N. Same thing on the end, you have your little tab. Pull this back. Make sure the placement's where you want. We're just gonna push it down. So if you guys are wondering, we did sell the STI and the Forester for the truck. So now we just have one car payment and one car insurance. So that was pretty cool. I missed the STI, but it's all right. Really like the truck. On the TRD Pros, they come with the exhaust. So sounds pretty decent from factory. Not to mention that 5.7 sounds excellent. And we got rigid industry fog lights from factory. That was pretty cool, didn't see that coming. But yeah, let's get this D on now. Oop, there we go. Looks good. Get this R. Pull the tab. There we go. Looks good. Give it a little press. If you guys have to remove these, man, that's gonna be a mission. There is a bunch of two-way tape behind each letter. So once you install them, plan on leaving them. That will not be fun to remove after a couple years or a month or so. All right, guys, last letter. Get this A on. So you can see they have these two strips right here. That's what holds the letter. So be careful when you're pulling back the letters. You don't want to bend them too much. And I got these at Claremont Toyota. I believe they were 59 bucks, or no, $39. So not too expensive. Not sure if we're gonna do the side of the truck on the TRD Pro yet. My wife really likes how it just looks with the same color as the truck. So we might just be leaving those. Or I might buy the red and black ones. I don't know yet. We'll find out. Pull this back. Yeah. That looks good. Ooh. Bam! That looks dope. Nice and black. All right, guys, so that's pretty much it. Hopefully this helped you out to do any type of inserts on your truck or anything that's engraved. It's all the same stuff. Just take your time. Once you got the placement right, push it down hard with a towel. And I appreciate you guys watching. Please like and subscribe. And I'll be with you guys soon about more videos about the Tundra. Thank you. Mark out.